Hi, and welcome to another video from Redline Technologies. Something a bit different. It is a tech product. It's not something we usually sell. It's a microphone. So let's take a look at why we are featuring this. This video is brought to you by FSP Power Supplies. FSP is one of the leading manufacturers of power supplies in the world. They are proven to be one of the most reliable power supply manufacturers in the world also. So we have a few links in the description. Take a look to learn more about FSP products. Alright, so what is this and why do we have it? It is a cardioid, it's a new word for it. So cardioid condenser microphone. It's an Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus. So this is a desk mic and it's made for, let's go with what's in the box. It's a USB microphone, 16-bit 48 Hz sampling rate for detailed natural production. Ideal for home studio recording, podcasting, video recording and voiceover use. So what we will be doing is seeing how good this is for the type of work we do. So essentially this kind of stuff, and for voiceover work, mainly for our gameplay videos. So we'll see if something like this is suitable and how well it does. The box itself doesn't have too much information. So it just says what it includes. That's like the only important information I can find there. It has a picture of some bamboo trees for whatever reason, I don't know. Right. So you get some documentation. It's disposal, purchase registration, and I think that is instruction manual. Phone, and you get your microphone. It's like this, so decent weight to it. So that's right. So that is your microphone. So it's completely metal. Now, before I get started, this is a USB microphone, so it connects through USB to your system. Therefore, this also has its own sound card inbuilt, loosely speaking. So you can get a headphone out there, which you can use to either monitor what you are speaking, or what you can use to monitor what's being played back on the PC. Right? So that is essentially the volume of your headphone monitor. We'll show you how it works, and that essentially switches between your monitoring your mic and monitoring whatever is coming out of the PC. Right, so let's see what else you get with the package. Very nice carrying pouch. That feels like actual leather. So, cable and the mount. Right. So there's a mount included, which is good. Usually mics don't come with mounts included. Is this, which saves a lot of trouble of finding a mount. That's a very straightforward and simple affair. That's your tripod. And this goes in there. There you go. You're done. Let's plug this in, see what this sounds like. So right now, if you notice, I'm using one of these. It's not a very high-end one, it's a very basic mic. So I'll switch over to this once I have it plugged in. You should be able to pick up the differences. And we'll also try to test this compared to like one of our high-end gaming headphones to see what it sounds like. Alright, so I switched from my QT mic to this. So what you're hearing right now and what you're hearing in the background is through this mic. So you can see the recording is happening live right now. As the box said, it was a very straightforward plug and play. They didn't have to configure anything. This is pure raw what you're hearing. So we didn't configure, we didn't tweak anything. Just plugged in and it detects as a microphone, AT2020 USB Plus. So setting up wise, it's extremely straightforward. Absolute no hassle. So we did a few tests. So pretty impressed by the sound quality, as you guys can hear. very crystal clear. So clarity is very good. It also has pretty good range, so you can hear stuff quite a bit further away from close by. So right now we are using this a headphone plugged in, so you can plug in the headphone directly. So headphone volume is controlled there, and you can get the sound from your PC by switching your monitor. For comparison, what I'll do right now is I'll use a high-end gaming headphone so that you guys can see how this compares to a high-end gaming headphone mic. All right, so I'm using a fairly high-end gaming headphone. So this is a HyperX Cloud Revolver. It's 25,000 rupee headphone. So you can hear what I sound like using a gaming headphone. So you guys can check out the difference between using the microphone and the gaming headphone to see how it affects your voice clarity and the actual feel of the audio. I think that's mostly what you'll be looking for. All right, so there you have a small sample of the audio quality, how this compares to one of the shooting mics and gaming headset. It is clearly a semi-prosumer product. So why would you, as an average consumer, be interested in one of these? I see a very interesting use for this microphone. So first of all, it's a great mic to start off with, and it sits on your desk, it's out of the way, and it has an inbuilt sound card, right? So as a mic itself, if you are a streamer, or if you do any YouTube recordings, videos, like the stuff on our Redline gaming channel, this is a great mic to get your voiceover work done, right? So your voice will be captured. Luckily, if you watch any streams you've seen, they generally don't use their headphone mic. They use something like this. This is a very popular microphone with streamers as well. The other advantage out of this is, like, for example, right now for our testing purposes, for our monitoring purposes, I'm using an AKG K52, right? It's a very budget semi-pro headphone. I wouldn't call it audiophile, but it's a budget headphone. But even something like this sounds significantly better. I personally use a Razer Kraken 7.1 headphone. So this, being like a 7,000, 8,000 rupee headphone, sounds significantly better than a 20,000 rupee Razer Kraken 7.1 headphone. By getting something like this, you also get the opportunity to use a headphone like this, say a budget headphone, something like this, K52, K72, something like a M20X, M30X from Audio-Technica, or even a budget Sennheiser unit, like, say, for example, a K518, sorry, not K518, HD518, 558? 518 is the one for about 15,000 bucks, yes. So a headphone like that, which you get significantly better sound quality than your regular gaming headphone, and significantly better comfort to add to that. You get to use one of those, and you also get the superior recording quality out of this. So if you use it for any kind of recording work, any kind of YouTube videos where your content is being published, this is a great product to have. Finally, I didn't get to the price of this. This retails right now for 30,000 rupees, which is on par with pretty much all the gaming streaming mics that from the likes of Blue Audio, from who else? Razer has a gaming mic, puts it in the same price range, which are unfortunately not available in our market. This I would recommend as a great alternative to all of that. So we have one of these. We'll be using this regularly. If you guys want to check it out, we'll have it available. All right, so that's it for this unboxing and brief overview of the Audio-Technica, slightly long name, AT2020 USB Plus. So we'll have more unboxings, overviews, reviews coming up. We have something really interesting coming up pretty soon. Sabine will be doing an unboxing of a very unique product that created a lot of fanfare. I won't leave a spoiler. You'll have to watch out for that. So make sure you subscribe to not miss out on any future content. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. All our latest promotions and updates will be posted there. So